So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone control center not showing when iPhone screen is locked. You can see a person screen. This is iPhone XS and right now it's running on latest iOS 17 update. So in this video I will show you how you can enable that option if you have not showing that option on your iPhone locked screen. As you can see, when I locked my iPhone screen and you can see a person screen, there is no control center showing here in my iPhone right now. So how to enable that option and how to add the control center on iPhone lock screen? Firstly, go to iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. As you can see showing here Face ID and passcode. After that, enter your iPhone passcode. Okay, you can see a person screen, many options showing here. Just scroll down and in that section you can see appears on screen. Here are showing control center. Turn off from here in iPhone setting. Just turn it on. Now close your iPhone all tabs, lock your iPhone screen. After that you can see appears on screen control center is appears on iPhone lock screen and it's working perfect after that setting. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to enable or how to add control center when iPhone screen is locked. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.